Good morning, dear students. Today is once again new topic, very good topic, upon which you should have the hold if you want to make more conversation, if you want to make your conversation effective, if you want to make your conversation good, that is homonyms, homophones, and homographs. This is the new topic, but it is not possible that I will teach all of them. I will teach here only important ones, and if you want to learn more, then you can watch my playlist which is upon the word power. There I have discussed so many lectures upon this in word power, but here I will discuss only important ones which have been asked in the examination, in board examination or university exam, also in competitive exams, mostly in competitive exams. I will discuss only those ones. This is in your syllabus. First of all, what is meant by homo? Homo is known to you. Homo means, one second. Yes, homo means same. Homo means same. That is, they have same. What have they same? Name means here. Name means names. Ny means names. That is, they have the same names. That is, homonyms are the words that are pronounced the same. Their pronunciation is same. That is, homonyms have the same pronunciation. They are pronounced same. Same pronunciation, and may be spelled the same or different, but different meaning. Sometimes they have the same spelling, sometimes, not always, but they have always different meaning. They have always different meaning. Mostly, yani ki always pronounced the same, sometimes same spelling, but always different meaning. Homophones, phone means sound. These are the words that are pronounced the same, pronunciation is same, but are spelled differently. They have not the same spelling as I told you. Sometimes they have the same spellings and different in meaning. They have also different in meaning. And they are different in all respects. Homographs, I told you that homo means same and graphs means writing. These are those words that are spelled the same but are not pronounced. They have the same spelling. They have the same spelling but are not pronounced in the same way, and also they have different meanings. Even though they have the same, for example, here, different spelling, different, and here rabbit, different meaning. Now I will discuss only important ones because it is not possible to discuss all. One second. Yes, as I told you that now you can see yourself that homophones, homonyms. Homophones yani ki same sound, they differ in sound, spelling and meaning. Homophones have the same sounds, different spelling, different meaning. Homographs have different sounds, same spelling but different meaning. Homonyms have same sound, same spelling but different meaning. You can remember with the help of this chart also. You can take it as a screenshot, it will be helpful for you. Now I will discuss some important ones. Okay. For example, letter. Letter is known to you that letter. One second, I will take first of all. For example, one second. For example, allowed. Allowed means to allow somebody. Allowed means loudly. In the same way, altar. Altar means where sacrifices are made. Sacrifices of the animals are made. Alter means change. Aunt is known to you, an insect. Aunt is known to you, your relative. Eight is known to you to eat something. 8, it is number. That is, these words, they have the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meaning. Yes. For example, bear, bear. Bear is known to you to bear something. Bear is known to name of the animal. Bee is known to use it, is used in grammar. Bee, an insect. Beach is known to you that which is near the river. Beach, that is plants. Bean is known to vegetable. Bean is used in grammar. Bored, when someone becomes bored, he doesn't tolerate somebody. Bored means to board something. Board, upon which we write board. I will write upon the board, that is board. Blue is known to you that color. Blue is known to you to believe something. This is the difference between homophones and homonyms. For example, can is used in grammar. Can is known to you. Capital, it is known to you that center of some country or some state. Capital is known to you that capital letters, alphabets. That is, these are some, and you can see others also. I have to show you that what are homophones and what are homonyms. Yes, these are another. For example, accept. They have the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meaning. For example, accept means to contest, to receive, and to receive something. Accept means other than that. Access means that is where one can reach, approach. Access means more. Adopt means legally take. Adapt means to adjust. Advice means to give the guidance. And advise, VISE. Advice means recommendation. Affection means love. Affectation means pretension. Enmity means hospitality. Amity means friendship. In the same way, you can see yourself that these are, you can take their screenshots also, because they may be helpful for you. I already told you that I have consulted only important ones. You can take the screenshot. Yes. And also, once again, I said that if you want to learn more about these things, there is a separate playlist on my channel, that is Salim Sailors Academy. There you can see that in that playlist there are so many videos upon these things, that is upon the word power. There you can watch if you want to learn more. And one thing, that please subscribe my channel if you like, and also share it. Also, a good news for you, that now I will start all the subjects upon my channel, that is computer, that is general knowledge, and other things also, which will be helpful for you. Also, good news for you, that now I will discuss, if not all, but most of the papers which have been already, that is last year papers or this year papers, which have been, the exam of which have been held by JKSSRB, online or offline. I have so many papers with me, and I have already shared some, and I will also share, but you have to watch and you have to share. Thanks. I hope that you have understood. Still, if you have any doubt, please send me the feedback. Feedback is compulsory. Thanks.